Beautiful stuff happening today. Temperatures return to seasonable levels. Haven't been there in quite a few days. And also, we have some warmer weather for the extended forecast. Let's check out what our weather watchers are reporting this morning to see where we start off. It's beautiful, yes, but it is still chilly out there, especially northwest of the city. So we've got some 30s, some upper 20s. But then as you look up north, it's temperatures in the teens. 21 degrees this reading here from Daniel Hannigan. Good morning. Thanks for joining us. Mainly cloudy skies is what he's reporting this morning at Greenwood Lake. And how about the north shore of Long Island? Checking in with Bruce Adams. He's got mostly sunny skies and 28 degrees. Winds are there out of the north at just 3. Let's give you a close look at this beautiful stuff happening outside. We're about a half hour off of sunrise at this point in time, getting close to that. And we see beautiful skies. Mostly sunny, 34 northwest winds at 9. What can you expect from the forecast? Well, first off, the weekend starts off sunny and milder. Loving the fact that we're almost 10 degrees warmer than yesterday. And in addition, the precip holds off until after midnight tonight. That means tonight's plans and parades and all that jazz, because there are a lot of St. Paddy's Day parades happening this weekend. Today's festivities are in perfect shape. Now, tomorrow, it's a very different situation. The later your parade is tomorrow, the better bet you have for getting it in dry. But if you have an AM parade tomorrow, it is going to be very wet. New York City is looking at a little bit of a wintry mix to begin, but it will quickly turn to rain by daybreak tomorrow. North and west, it will start off as snow and ultimately become a wintry mix. Well, north and west, we won't see a transition to rain. The National Weather Service has issued a winter weather advisory as a result for all areas in purple. So there we expect maybe 1 to 3 inches of wintry weather before a transition to rain. But if you're north of 84, I do expect it to stay mostly of the wintry form, and thus you won't get any rain changeover. But in the city, coating to 1 at most before we see a transition. As for what's happening out there now, it's looking good. Bright start. Will be a beautiful bright day. Tomorrow, completely different scenario. This area of low pressure is tracking in our direction, lifting off in the northeasterly direction. We're going to get a lot of precip with this. Half an inch to an inch of rainfall is what we anticipate between really the hours of, say, 3 a.m. tomorrow morning and roughly 3 p.m. So we'll show you what it looks like hour by hour here on our Futurecast model. Lovely stuff for today. I'm so excited. I feel like we haven't been here in a while with sunshine and mid-40s. As we go into the evening, that's when the clouds thicken. Here we are post the midnight hour. After you've turned those clocks forward and we see wet weather moving on in. It begins in the city, I think, is a little bit of a wintry mix before that quick transition to rain. All rain south and east, but notice north of the city, mainly snow. But then the warmth continues to infiltrate. Many of us will see that transition to rain by mid-morning, and it will still stay that wintry mix well north and west for the most part. 4 o'clock in the afternoon, that's how long it takes to really see the system make its exit. By then, hopefully we get some breaks of sun. I think we do before sunset. Keeping in mind, sunset tomorrow night is closer to 7 p.m. because of turning those clocks forward. Here's a look at the possible snowfall before any transition to wet weather. Again, that coating is possible for the city, due west, and even the north shore of Long Island. And then we see some bigger numbers, 1 to 3 north and west of the city, well northwest. As far as rainfall, it's a half an inch to an inch plus out there. I think we see some possibilities of localized flooding for that drive tomorrow morning if you're heading out and about to church. 46 degrees, bright skies for today. That is seasonable. And then tonight, the wet weather moves on in. We'll top out at 49 tomorrow, but it's a big spread in temperatures. Tomorrow we'll have 30s north, 50s south. Monday, 52 and mostly sunny. Then we're in the mid-40s, warming to nearly 60 by week's end. Cindy and Janelle, over to you.